So by these kind of indicators or by these kind of tools, you can easily do
any system that people say there is something known as profit factor. Profit factor is nothing but total profit in a system divided by total losses. So system has made 3 lakh rupees profit and 1 lakh rupees loss. Profit factor of the system would be 3. So it's a very good system. 3 lakhs divided by 1 lakh is 3. So that is the profit factor. So before getting into any system, we should find out what is the profit factor. Now, there is something also known as expected payoff. Total profit divided by number of trades. So you will get average profit per trade or average loss per trade. If you are getting losses, don't take or don't trade the system at all. So if you are following on NG, the profit factor will be around 3.5 on this. Copper, gold, silver will be around 1.52. So it is less profitable than
even all those these indicators or strategies we have traded and tested it along with the back testing.
Even if there is anybody trading happening on live trading, we will be trading on this calls only.
This is completely checked and tested.
No, it's not in that way. See, even you can take a demo and you can find it out how long you want. We don't have a problem. So because NG has very good volatility, draw the major trade and minor trade you take only those buys. Leave this cell because major is in cell, don't take this trade because this has a high chance of being a false signal.
Yeah, because last time when I took the demo, I didn't have that major trend.
No, that is
obviously we
no. It's like when we do that, we take something into consideration. Okay, at least the client knows the MTF thing. But if somebody doesn't want that, normally I don't have a problem. I take every trade. I'm happy with it. But if you have that problem because sometimes you are not able to save, because my system best you cannot leave and go. For you, we have a flexibility. You see both the trades are there. Take the trade, book profit, go home. And if you are getting 2 rupees also in NG, it's more than enough. You made around 2,500 rupees, 3,000 rupees. Go back, close the system, take the next trade tomorrow.
So there is no such thing like stop losses and all in this.
No.
You have to play
No, signal to signal, next candle. Because Renko will move very fast. You will not get time to put stop loss only. If we start putting stop loss, you will not be able to execute orders only.
Stop loss we are kept.
So if you say suddenly Nifty goes up by, it is a 30-point candle and it has gone up by 90 points. Suddenly you will see 3 candles. So you can't do anything. After the 3 candles only you have to entry. You have to take an entry. But it will not happen every time. But if it happens, you can't do anything. Yeah.
There's also one more thing what we can't operate, while going up, all of a sudden candle goes down. You can't take, all of a sudden you can't short that.
No, that is the major thing. So for obviously what you should do is you should trade only one screen. So obviously on this system, NG makes most of the money. Next is silver, copper. Then comes gold and all, gold, nickel and all. And worst thing Renko works in lead zinc. So if you want to lose money, trade lead zinc aluminium. Right. So that's all. So obviously it works better than NG. And NG is the most difficult counter which people are not able to trade. Take a demo also, see the trades, no problem. You'll find out how
lead and zinc, there are some other things which...
No, lead and zinc, normal indicators only work. You don't need to do too much of drama on that. Because the volatility will not be that high. You will not see lead from 144 going back to 147 single day. Copper we get every day 12.3 13 points kind of movement. So that's pretty high. Who has seen, I have only once I have seen copper, crude and, lead and zinc 3%. Only once in a lifetime. I don't remember the day, but once I have seen. But copper and all, silver, every very next day you get 3%, 4% kind of down circuit and all.
Zinc and lead, what is the points you suggest?
That is what I don't suggest there because nothing is required there. Anyway, the normal charge works better there. Suggestion is needed only there where there is a problem or there is something that can be done better.
Lead and zinc, I think super trend will work better.
Any super trend normal indicator, MACD, RSI, any normal trade indicator makes money there. You don't need to do anything. Put 15-minute chart, put RSI, MACD crossover, anything, it makes money. But silver, gold, NG makes very difficult. I have seen brokers closing down because of trading NG.
Also, the one on the lines, like straight, then like these lines.
I'll drag the chart, you to view it.
No, sir. This thing, some like that.
Vertical lines.
Ah.
That is the
No.
days
Vertical lines.
Phase separators.
No, no, not that one.
This will be the normal movement, price movement. So it will be, went up, it went up, it came down, it came down.
Like in this, you don't have support and resistance levels.
So that is again a part of thing. Multi-time frame trading is one type of trading, support resistance pivot is one type, gun is one type. So that goes, that list is endless. I'm not saying nothing is bad. But on MCX, when you are trading this kind of technique makes a lot of sense. So you are following any other technique that makes more money over here. You're able to cash much better out of the trade. All are good. There's no problem. For me, I'm talking about what happens normally and where clients go wrong. This is much simpler. When you calculate GAN or you do square of 9 or you do pivot and all, sometimes you'll book the profit at R1, it goes to R3. Right?
The super trend 10 or 3, sir?
This is 3, this is 10. This concept is known as MTF or high probability or multi-time frame trading.
Carry forward, how to it will applicable?
If you carry forward, someday you will lose it, sometime you will make losses, sometime you will make profit. So overall it comes the same thing. So if you carry forward, you should carry forward every day. And if you are not carry forward, you are not doing carry forward, never carry forward. System will automatically adjust. There will be good days also, there will be bad days also. But if you are carrying forward only on bad days, then it's a problem. Because if you carry forward every single day. So over here you can take every carry forward. Then there is no point of filter. If you are putting filter, then you exit by the end of the day. Wait for the next signal, take it. If you are following a system, follow it deliberately.
Generally, Saturday movement may not be very high as far as
International markets are closed.
international market. Then it closes on Friday, international at 12 o'clock. And where there is no movement on Saturday in our gold or silver, there is a steep increase on that day. We can anticipate the increase on Monday.
I cannot even anticipate 20% movement in Nifty, but still I make money every month. Anticipation is not that, there is nothing of prediction as such. What I believe in, I am a system
Take any statistics from that and
that's what. Again, you are not able to understand. I am not a discretion trader. I never have any of my views or thinking in there. I never give anybody views. I have system which makes money. And if you follow the system, if you take the system also, you write a demo every trade, I can give you in writing, NG will make most of the money. Because I do it myself. But I follow every trade. I am a system trader. I have zero discretion. You ask me tomorrow Nifty will be how much? 20% move also, I will not be able to predict where Nifty will go. Not even 20%. Tell me, Abhishek, can you make money and show it to me? I can do that. I have confidence on my system. But you ask me why Nifty will go or Bank Nifty will go, I don't know that. Because I have zero discretion. When I am trading, I don't use my brain.
Yeah.
Doing that, I have lost, initially starting year of my career being a discretion trader, I have lost a lot of money. Not required now. Now, if you say from 2007, in Tata Steel, if you have taken only MACD sell, your return should have been 2000%. Next 7 years, it may not be 2000%, it is at 1000%. I am happy. If I say tomorrow market will go up and it goes up, I am not James Bond. It's luckily it has happened. There is no credit in that. As simple as that. So there is no supernatural power. Even a 5-year-old guy can also tell. 100 trades, 60% accuracy. You tell 100 times, 60 times you will be correct. Whether you say or your son say. If your son says, Papa, buy has come, it has come. As simple as that. You don't need anybody else for that.
A lot of astrologers predict.
That is there. Right? People say that. But I am saying that's what my, see, for me, if you ask me personally, through divergences, I have never been able to make money. If people have made money through Elliott Wave, I have never been successful. So I can teach you what I am good at. Right? I am not saying Elliott Wave is bad or GAN is bad, but I have not been able to make money through that. I am more on a system side. So if I have a system, I can give it to you. But you have a discretionary thing. Something, someday, today, Purnima, and that day market will go up. I don't know that. So you cannot give the system to somebody else. But if you have a system, you backtest it over last 10 years, it has given so much percentage as profit. On that profit, you put a standard deviation. 10% can be 15% or it can be 5%. I'm okay with 5% also. If you are not okay, I can't help it. I'm not saying tomorrow also the same thing will happen. But if you say standard deviation mathematics has said bell curve, so it will be in that curve only. Tomorrow onwards, all people in India cannot be 6 feet. In the same fashion, all trades cannot be losses. You follow all the trades, your average deviation will be between 7% to 12%. Extremes are 15 or 5. I'm a very normal, if you say IQ of India will be between 60 to 100. Extremes are 150 above and below 30. Those are mentally challenged, and above 150 are super intelligent. Most of the people in this room, I think, are at the average 80, 90. I am some 85. I have given my exam long back in school. I don't know, now it has come down maybe. But that's how. Any questions on pair?
Questions on this?
So for you, if you are talking about filter, today if you are training, today you will not have any trade. You will miss out this trade if you are using filter. But yesterday, you got two beautiful trades. This and that. तो कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोलना पड़ता है. If you don't want that,
Still in buy only.
now it has become sell. This one from here.
Now it has become sell, right?
Now, if after giving buy, if we give you again sell, when the measure is still in sell, that sell you can take. But in that case, you will miss out some opportunities also. But your accuracy will be much better.
Bottom line is each and every system we should trade.
If you are not liking, increase the box size. Signals will be less frequent. See, NG trading is very easy only because it has very clean movement. And can give you in writing every month 4 times it will move by 10 rupees.
Natural gas.
Yeah. Go back history, any chart you see. Why won't go anywhere? We here only will see. NG, we have 10 years data. We have all the data in NG. This is natural gas. You will have this kind of big candles every month 3-4 times. I am talking about these candles.
Convert this into rainfall. This is super rainfall.
This is daily chart. I am talking about this big movement. So these big movements are always there. If you see from 2007 also it is there. 2010 chart. See, movements are very predictable and is there. Onwards. That's when MC started. See, because that time also, open, high and low, 375, 254. Now week, one time it will come, this 10 points movement. See this one.
Buying signal where it's on, sir?
No, this is not a chart. I'm just showing for the candle information. This is not a buy signal, sell signal. I'm talking about the movement now. 339 to 310. I'm talking. This is not an arrow. This is only for the sake of showing. I'm just showing the candle. Don't look at green or red. This is not the chart to trade. I'm going back on 2000. But NG you should not trade on this in this way. What I'm trying to say is, NG every week has one big 10 rupees movement. Around 5% movement every week, one day. We don't know which day. Following all the signals will fetch you that 10 points. That is enough. If you are able to gauge that 1 point and all other profits are compensated with the losses also, it's enough. If you go back in the history, every month 4 times or 3 times minimum there has been a 10 points move. Which Ami broker you have, Megastock you have, anything. Always helped in this. So when I know something is going to happen for sure, it becomes very easy.
So what is the minimum capital required for trading in MC?
MCs, what I prefer is, I prefer not to take any leverage. If the NG contract value is 2,40,000, in 2,40,000 I take only one, the NG. If silver major or silver gold major takes 30 lakhs, if I have 30 lakhs only, I'll trade gold major. One lot. Otherwise, you'll make your broker rich.
So per month I mean decent.
You can make 5 to 15% you can make. But if you have all your things in place properly.
Let's follow strictly.
Follow strictly. All your position charging, money management is in place. Not doing any extra circus. Following only one chart. No jumping stocks. Because if you're jumping stocks, again your profit is coming to zero. So State Bank has, MSCD has 60% accuracy, but if you change it to Reliance Infra, the entire thing changes. That's why most of the tips providing company and they are not able to make money. Even that's why stock market people, they have scanners and all. Scanners never work only for those reasons. If you are scanning only one single stock, it's okay. But if you are scanning multiple stocks, you are changing the scenarios. And when you are changing scenarios, the entire thing goes back. Suppose you have a system which has 70 good trades and 30 bad trades. Then you are in Tata Steel, you get 3 bad trades. So some 27 bad trades are remaining. Now again you go to Reliance Infra, that has also 70, again you are getting bad trades.
So at the end of the day, all trades are bad.
Maybe it may happen, right? But if you are trading on Tata Steel only, MSCD, and taking all the signal, I know okay, 70 will be good and 30 will be bad. In 30 I will lose 11 rupees, 30,000 rupees, and 70 I will make 2 rupees on around 1,40,000 rupees. So 1,40,000 minus 30, 1,10,000. Brokerage, okay, let go, 1 lakh rupees I can take home. But do I have enough capital to play 100 trades with one lot only? One have 1 lakh rupees, they will take 4 lots of Nifty, it will bring to 50,000. Broker will give now only 2 lots. So within 3 lots, 3 trades, 4 trades only, the entire capital is wiped out. Sit with me, take 100 trades and then come, I have lost money. Following one system, one single stock. You cannot. Because logically it's not possible. Mathematically it's not possible. A system has 70% accuracy. Means 1 rupee loss, you make 3 rupees or 2 rupees at least. Two profit factor system. And your 100 trades you are taking. How can you lose money? If you are not playing without any leverage. Mathematically it's not possible. Okay, let it be 50 times. 50% accuracy system, 50 will be correct and 50 will be wrong. Stock market system are loaded system because we can backtest it. Gamble and all you cannot backtest. Horse racing you cannot backtest. Stock market systems are loaded systems. So we can have 60-40, 70-30 system also we can get. So suppose the system has 50-50. 50 will be good calls, 50 will be bad calls. Each winning call, I'll have 2 rupees. And every losing call, I'll lose 1 rupee. Profit factor is 2. 2 profit factor system are easily available. 2 profit factor system are easily available. 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, daily chart, you know, any indicator will give you a profit factor of +2. Right? Now in that scenario, if you are taking 100 tests, show me mathematically how can you lose money. Leave mathematically, come and sit with me in my office for next 2 years, you take 100 tests and then show me how you have lost money. If then also you lose money, tell me whatever I have to do, I'll do. Mathematically it's not possible. You only create problem when you take over leverage. People tend to think, after 2-3 profits has come, people tend to think, okay, I have got some jackpot, now all trades will be correct. No. After every profit that you get out of market, your chances of loss increases. After every loss that comes towards you, your chances of profit increases. I'll show you why. You have 50 winners, 50 losers. Now you have 3 winners. How much you are left? 47 and 50. So you have less chances of winning and more chances of losing. People, normal traders or losing traders, they increase the position. So they take more risk when there is more chance of you to lose. In the same fashion, you have 50 winners and 50 losers. 3 losses has come. Now it is 47 loss chances and 50 winning chances. Your chances of winning is more. Client will leave the system and will go to something else. That's all. Any doubts on this?
Small question regarding entry. Sometimes the price moves so fast, but 3-4 anchor boxes will be put suddenly. So can we enter by placing a stop loss by order above a box size?
Problems are there. Sometimes what happens, parliament attack happens, but it doesn't happen every day. So if you see overall history, it's not about making money this month, making a money consecutively. So if you say overall average, it comes to that. Using the filter also, whatever you make, without using the filter also, it come overall the same. So no required of all these things. Keep it as simple as possible. More you complicate it, more it will be difficult for somebody else to understand.
Predicting the trading stop loss.
I'm not able to, maximum time you will not be able to, if you are not fast enough, you will not be able to put an order in Renko only. That's why I'm telling you fast and F1 and F2. Forget putting stop loss order. In commodity silver, you get time to put stop losses. Who puts stop losses in silver? If you are blindly entering, you can have put 200 point stop loss. It becomes normally if anybody is trading